Hey guys, you are welcome back again to my channel. Happy new month to you all. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this twisted headband. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch it to the end. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and don't also forget to turn on your notification bell so you keep seeing my videos. Do like, comment and share this video. Let's get started. I'll be needing my measuring tape, elastic band, scissors, pins, and my stretchy fabric. I'll be needing 3 pieces of this stretchy fabric. The measurements are as follows. For the biggest one, I cut about 19 inches by 7 inches. For the second piece, it's about 14 inches by 7 inches as well. Then for the third one, it's about 10 inches by 3 inches. There's actually a twist to this tutorial. The twisted part of this headband is going to be on the side, not at the front. So that's why I don't have equal length of fabric for the first 2 pieces. Do you understand? So now I'll just be folding it into 2 on the wrong side and I'll be stitching at about half an inch. Here is how it looks after stitching. I will just be turning the 3 pieces to the right side. Okay. After turning them to the right side, you will ensure that the seams are facing up like that and they are the middle. Then for the last piece, which is going to be the elastic channel, I'm just going to be using my pin to insert the elastic into that elastic channel. The elastic is about 4 to 5 inches. And when I was done, I just tried to pin down one end of the elastic so it doesn't pull out. Then I pinned the other side too. Then thereafter, I took it to my sewing machine to stitch the both ends. When I was done stitching, I got the shorter piece of my fabric, which I folded into 2 like that. As you can see, the seam is at the middle. Then I placed my elastic band that way and held it down with pin. Because the fabric was just too thick, I didn't try to even use my sewing machine to try it. Rather, I just used my hand needle and thread to just stitch it down. But if your sewing machine is very strong or if your fabric is not too thick, you can as well stitch down with your sewing machine, but I just prefer to use my hand needle and thread to do this. Then I took the longest piece, I passed it through the one I had already done. I folded it into 2, also taking note of the position of the seam. Then just watch what I did there. I just placed the elastic to the end, just the way I did previously. Then I folded it to like covering the elastic. Then I also stitched. And we're almost done. So when I was done, this is how it came out. Okay, because I'm unstitching, I had to do this multiple times so it doesn't loosen. Okay, so I just knotted my thread, then trimmed the excess fabric so that it doesn't become too thick, you see. If you are using an African print, it's going to be flatter than this, but the kind of fabric I used here is the very thick stretchy fabric. So can you see how this look very beautiful, right? So like I said before, the twisted part of this headband is on the side because I wanted a little twist actually to this headband. I didn't want it to be at the front. So if you want yours to be at the front, I mean the twisted part, you try to make your fabric to be equal length. Not the elastic part, just the two pieces, the two bigger pieces. You make sure they are of the same length. But if you want the twisted part to be on the side, you try to make sure one is longer than the other. We just finished making a twisted headband. Does it not look beautiful? So you can actually style it in whichever way you want. Very nice. And the material is also a shining one, so it's a it's a good idea for this kind of tutorial. If you have watched this video to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and don't forget to comment, like and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.